The first demonstration I'm going to show you is to prove how effective Q20 is as a moisture displacer. I have a range of my competitors' products here, and the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take the product. You must always give the cans a good shake, and I'm going to spray product into the lid and pour them into test tubes of water. What this demonstration is going to do, it's going to show you that each product claims to be a moisture displacer. They are very good products. They are all oil-based, and they are all very good lubricants. But as you can see already from the first two that I'm demoing, all of the products sit on top of the water. Different colors from the different constituents of each product, but none of them are getting below the water. And if you are going to be a moisture displacer, the product has to be able to get underneath the water and displace the water. All cans need to be shaken before use, otherwise you end up with a bit of gas coming out and a little bit of product. You need to have a good mixture of both. You can see that all the products are sitting on the top. There's no differentiation between the products, just from a color point of view. We now take Q20 and we put some Q20 into the test tube. And you will immediately see that Q20 drops straight to the bottom of water. This comes about from the specific gravity of Q20 being 1,154, which means that it's heavier than water and therefore the most effective moisture displacer around. Q20 is the only manufacturer that has three measurements on the can. We have our net volume of 260 mils, our gross weight of 400 grams, and our net weight of 300 grams. If you take the 260 mils into 300, you will get 1,154, which again demonstrates the specific gravity of the product.